everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav and today I will be presenting my month-stack internship project titled Homely Hub. This project was completed during my internship at WSA under the month-stack development program. Through this project, I gained hands-on experience in developing a full-stack application using industry-level tools and workflows. During this internship, I worked as a month-stack developer. The focus of this internship was to learn complete end-to-end development. I worked with real production level technologies, understood how professional development teams operate, and delivered a fully functional application from planning to deployment. The key goals of this internship were to strengthen my full stack development skills, learn how to design scalable application, and develop a strong understanding of API architecture. I also gained experience in implementing CRUD operations and deploying a live application with backend and database connectivity. Homely Hub is a property and home service platform. It connects property owners or users with service providers in a simple and organized manner. Property owners can list and manage properties while users can request services, check availability, and make bookings. The platform also integrates secure online payment features and user real-time data updates. This project is built using the month stack. The front end is developed using React and Vite for fast performance. The backend uses Node.js and Express.js. The database is MongoDB, which stores all user, property, and booking information. For development and testing, I used VS Code, Postman, and GitHub. The system follows a three-tier architecture: front-end, back-end, and database. The front-end handles the user interface and interactions. The back-end processes requests and performs business logic and handles APIs. The database stores and retrieves structured data. All components communicate securely through RESTful APIs, making the system scalable and easy to maintain. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. MongoDB provides flexible, document-based storage. Express.js is used to build APIs. React.js provides a dynamic and responsive UI. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on the servers with high performance. Together, these technologies enable smooth full-stack development. In the front end, I created reusable React components, implemented responsive design, and managed routing. In the backend, I designed REST APIs, integrated MongoDB using Mongoose, and implemented JWT authentication. I also defined database schemas and optimized query performance where required. The user journey starts at the home page, where users can browse services. They can then filter services, select one, and book it through a simple form. After filling the form, they complete payment and receive a booking confirmation. All updates happen in real time to ensure a smooth experience. Now I will show the code part. I write code in a VS Code and make different folders. As we see it, the front end, back end, and the UI UX, as we all see. For the backend, we already connected MongoDB and write some npm start and npm build. So later it will give us a local address which we paste on the Chrome and we will see our website. We will copy the address now. Right now we open our Chrome page. In Chrome page we type localhost 5173. So home page is opened. At the top left corner you can see my logo and project name Homely Home. The logo represents a small home which perfectly matches the purpose of this project, helping users find homely and comfortable places for their stay. In the center of the top bar, I have added a search bar where users can type their destination. Next to it, there are two date fields, start date and end date. These allows user to choose the duration of their stay. Then we have an add guest option. The user can mention how many people will be staying to the left side. We have two icons. Right side has two icons. There are two icons, filter icon, which allows users to apply advanced filter, and profile icons, which is for logging and user management. Below the navbar, you can see a beautiful grid of property cards. Each card displays a photo of home state its need. Basic details. For example, you can see properties like Oshi in November, sunny side up. All the images are fetched dynamically from the database and each card is clickable. When the user click on any of these, they can see complete details of that property, description, price, map, location, and booking options. The front end of this page is built using React.js, and I have used Flexbox and CSS Grid to make it responsive. So it is look neat on both mobile and desktop screens. This page focuses mainly on giving users a clear idea of what properties are available, where they are located, and how they look both book them easily. Now let's move to the next feature that it filters, where a user clicks on the filter icon in the navigation bar. This beautiful filter module opens up. Here users can narrow down. This is the filter part where a user clicks on the filter icon in the navigation bar. This beautiful filter Here user can narrow down their search using different criteria. The first section is price range where they can use the sliding bar to set minimum and maximum budget. For example, from 600 to 30,000 per night. This helps people find option within their price range. Next, we have the property type section where users can choose whether they want a house, flat, guest house or hotel. Then there is room type which allows selection between entire room or any type. Below that there is a section for amenities where users can take checkbox for Wi-Fi, AC, TV, free washing machine or pool, whatever they need in their stay. At the bottom I have added two bottoms clear, which means reset all filters and apply which applies the selected reference and update the list of properties accordingly. The working behind this is handled using React state management and filtering logic. All data is fetched from MongoDB using an API and React filters the result on the client side based on the user selection. This filter is used for providing a personalized experience. It saves time and helps user to find exactly what they are looking for. Now when we click on any property, for example sunny side, it opens the property detail page. At the top we can see multiple images of the selected properties. The image slide gives user a clear visual idea of what the place looks like. Below that we have a description section which provides detailed information about the state. For example, the location NDRS, comforts, and any special feature like this is the description. Here is the extra information where we can see the place, TV, free parking, kitchen, etc. which quick user wants. These are displayed using simple checkbox for better readability. Further down there are map section labels where you will be see the location. This shows the exact location of the property using map integration, so user can easily understand how far it from major points. On the right side of this page, we have a booking form. It shows the price per night. For example, 250 and has fill of selecting checkbox. We can enter phone number, name and number of guests needed. At the bottom of the form, there are a green button labeled login. Here we can enter the date. Here we can enter the number of guests and the name. At last we can enter the phone number. At the bottom of the form, there are green button labeled login to book that ensures that only registered user can proceed with booking. If a user isn't logged in, they will be redirected to the login page. First, address inputs are connected through React form and the database stored in MongoDB when the user confirms a booking. The API request is handled in the backend using Express, which communicates with database through Mongo. When user click on the login to book button, they are redirected to login and registration page. For registration, you have to put your email ID. Here is the booking information. Here we can see the prices, my profile, and we can edit the profile and change password. Here we can see here we can book our hotel, number of guests. Here when we click confirm, the booking date gets saved in the MongoDB database with unique booking ID, the property name, dates, user details, etc. The package automatically validates all fields, making user know important information is missing. If everything is fine, a confirmation message appears on the screen saying booking has saved successfully. The filter ensures proper data integrity and real-world booking experience. The payment path can be integrated in the future, and other things like UPI scanning or UPI ID like this show how Homely Hub can be turned into a professional level booking platform. During this project, I improved significantly in API integration, debugging, and manual testing. I also faced challenges such as managing React state and handling asynchronous operations. However, by using proper state management and async await patterns, I resolved these issues successfully. I also learned how to design efficient database schemas in MongoDB. In conclusion, this internship helped me grow as a full stack developer and understand how real world applications are built and deployed. Homely Hub is not just a project but a complete learning journey for me. Thank you.